Okay, this is Mr. Watson. He's reporting. Mr. Watson is holding in his hand a very special phone. This phone has channels on its YouTube that has people that live in the phone universe. You heard what I said. Is that crazy? You better believe it's crazy. It's cray cray. It's crazy as hell. But I'm doing the weather. I mean, the news, the report. The weather is it's supposed to rain. The bees are cared for. The top lid of their home is covered. This phone will not be outside in the rain. The other phone may be outside in the rain, but that is not the part of the message of the weather. We are reporting here. We are reporting from. This is Grand Temple. It's a simulation, as you can see there on the floor. What is on the floor has happened, is manifested here. This is 3 steps away. 3 pandas are the 3 steps. The pandering of the panda steps, 3 away, is the black hole warping event. You should always be 3 ahead and a certain amount behind. The leader. Who is the leader? The Spirit of the Lord will direct you. And that's why the leader is ahead. And you don't know how many ahead. You just know ever onward, ever upward. This is your charge. You're charged here by thee. You are the candidate. You, candidate, are self. Other self. That is a very much serious thing. This TV right here, this is an altar device. I don't like TVs. I don't like black screens when they're blindly being placed against white ones, flickering and causing strokes. What does that mean? It's smoke and mirrors. Smoke and mirrors. You say smoke and mirrors, you write it off. Say, smoke and mirrors. This, the house on fire. There's smoke. There's the mirror. This is the mirror. This mirror represents my friend Wayne, because like Cody Wayne Shepherd, and Wayne and Wayne and Wiener and Wayner. One man, one penis. Every man has one. Like his asshole, it's an opinion. But unlike his asshole, it's his dick. Now the thing about dicks is this. If you've got one, you know. If you don't, you might want to find out. That would be a real thing. Everything else in this room is placed along according to the lines and light symmetries that you see going on here. Am I playing with him? Yes. Like my penis, which is not being exposed here. You got to know your own. Here's another truth. This would be a fast blast myself. This right here is part of the egg. The egg is the stone. It breaks out. I've got a couple pieces of that. I'm using them for healing purposes. The eggshell can be used for war. However, I don't advise that. I also know that the coronavirus was made. It was a bioweapon. I feel that. I know it. I know where it affects my own reality. But I am talking about a person who manifests reality. Everybody can. We as human beings incarnated have to go about it a certain way to be cleaning up things. Now this event, this cleaning up of things, I definitely am getting serious about that. I mean, I'm sharing you seriousness about that, like that 5. My friend Amanda says that they said the bees have 5 eyeballs or 5 eyes. That is not what she meant. In fact, I know what she meant wasn't what she meant, and that she meant to deliver that intent. Now, I love her. She's a friend of mine. And when you say that you love someone, you better fucking mean it. Mean it. You gotta love yourself if you love another. This is true. If you can't love yourself, you probably can't love someone else. If you can't feel, you're not going to be able to love. Not only not yourself, you'll be broken, but other person. So there are some people who cannot heal. They're sociopathic. And they are the topic of the weather. The what weather? This cold wind that's coming in is definitely in harmonic balance with our positioning of where we live. What does that mean? These bees, like this egg, see the wind blow. Listen to the wind blow. A firing line. All in the shadows. Oh man, I start singing my spirit songs. Like, I mean, you can't not sing your spirit song. If you have one, if you know what that means, then the runes on here would be probably useful. But I'm not sharing the runes that I put there embedded out of time, inside of time. That's not what this is about. This is just showing, like, okay, you can manifest reality, so you're going to need to, because you're going to indwell the reality that you manifest. You've got to bring it forth, and people have a lot of power in that, but we have a consensus factor going on here, which is why now I'm here doing this. This is why I'm here now, and I had waited. I had followed my intuition up into a certain point, and that certain point has brought me to a place that not only am I prepared for, I have a reckoning with. And like me and this bee we're very fond. I got stung by underground right here. I got stung, but I mashed my hand into the ground and was stung by a dead bee stinger, and it's still kind of mutating me now. Oh, it said unattractive spirituality, but yeah, that's no joke. I recognized what it was, so I didn't have to pursue it. But see, that's a very special thing, and I hope anyone who gets to share this with someone else would please like and subscribe what I'm trying to do here with the railgun called home positioning in the time and season when the mojo rises. It's Kundalini. Mojo rising.